one-way switch, two-way switch, bed switch, calling bell switch, fan regulator, board fuse, KitKat fuse, switchboard indicator, 2-pin socket, 5-pin socket, 2-pin plug top, 3-pin plug top, switchboard, extension board, power board, concealed metal box, pendant holder, batten holder, angle batten holder, casing capping, external bed, internal bend, junction linker, calling roach, junction box, conduit pipe, saddle clamp, double nail saddle clamp, conduit saddle, conduit coupler, conduit elbow, conduit bend, conduit T, two-way throw box, two-way angle box, three-way T box, four-way cross box, flexible conduit pipe, GI clamp, screw anchor, screw driver, line tester, digital tester,